Hello, my name is Robert Adut, and I'm the founder of YayMath.org. And I have a special message for my fellow educators and my friends in the homeschooling community. Now, we all believe that education is entirely a human experience. It's those interactions that we have with our students where the real magic happens. We also are witnessing a revolution of technology within education. So on one hand, we believe in the value of human interaction within education. And on the other hand, we want to get on board with this technology because we're seeing how well our students respond to it. And we need a way to blend these two. And this is exactly what's happened with me. I've been a classroom teacher for 10 years. I've loved every year of it. But year over year, incrementally, I'm witnessing how my students are becoming more familiar and comfortable watching video than passively sitting through long lectures. So I went back and created a blended geometry program to merge the best of the human side of education as well as the best technology all in one. And I'm offering that to you. I've worked relentlessly over years to develop this. I've pooled my very best content and personally built a complete program from the ground up. What I want to offer you is a full geometry curriculum that you can easily and instantly implement with your students tomorrow. My aim is for the learning experience for both you and your students to be so positive and incredibly fulfilling. Please check out YayMath.org for details, and thank you for being with us.